Okay, this is Friday, Rebecca Black.
Do you want to hold it?
Yeah. Sure. We're all so quick.
7 a.m. waking up in the morning, gotta be fresh, gotta go downstairs. So I gotta have cereal, seeing everything. The time is going, ticking on and on. Everybody's rushing, gotta get down to the bus stop. Gotta catch my bus. I'll see my friends sitting in the front seat, sitting in the back seat. Gotta make my mind up which can I take. It's Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend, Friday, getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend, partying,
Yeah!
fun, looking forward to the weekend.
You shoved it out quick.